this, like, I'm not driving home at like 6 in the morning. So I drove them all the way back to their car, and I didn't end up streaming in Salt Lake and I didn't get home until 3. I didn't get home until 3 in the morning. So it was really bad. Like, I was really tired. Like, I'm so glad that I didn't stream, honestly, because I was tired. Like I said, I got home at 3 in the morning the other day from that car meet, that 2-hour stream. So it says they have Dippin' Dots ice cream, but I don't see the cone. So I'm just gonna keep going and see if there's another place maybe. I don't know, I think this might, I'm not sure. Is there another one over here? I can't tell. There should be another one. I just want like a soft serve cone. I don't want Dippin' Dots. I want a soft serve ice cream cone. So you like stick better than auto? Depends on the car. Some cars I like better in manual, some cars I like better in automatic. Usually with the automatic, like the PDK on the new 911s is really good, and I think that's really good in automatic. Ooh, wait, I do have cash. I forgot. I could get a drink from this vending machine. I want to see how much they are compared to the souvenir cups. I need shorts. Is this a cute outfit or is it not? I guess I could put my jacket in my bag. They're Lululemon shorts, dude. They're Lululemon shorts. It's been ages since I've last seen a Coca-Cola machine. I said Lululemon. Aunt Bear, thank you so much for the 11 months, dude. Appreciate that. Thank you. Let's see. Dude, I left my card in my friend's car, so I had to like go get cash. I hate using it. This is me getting a soda from a vending machine. Isn't that amazing? This is like a soda machine sim. Lululemon. America First on that envelope. Dude, it's my bank. Like, that's what they're called. America.